Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear. Today, we're diving into the Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike.
This isn't just any bike, it's touted as the best men's 26-inch mountain bike on the market right now.
Let's find out why.
The Huffy Stone mountain bike comes packed with features that make it stand out.
First off, it's built on a durable steel hardtail frame, sporting a sleek charcoal gray finish.
This frame not only looks sharp but offers robust support and durability for all your trail adventures.
One of the standout features is its front suspension system, designed to absorb shocks and bumps along the trail, providing a smoother ride even on rough terrains. Whether you're navigating rocky paths or cruising through wooded trails, this bike handles it with ease. Now, let's talk about performance. The Huffy Stone mountain bike boasts a 21-speed Shimano twist-shifting system.
This means you have a wide range of gears at your disposal, perfect for adjusting your speed and cadence to match the terrain and your riding style.
Whether you're tackling steep inclines or speeding down descents, this bike gives you precise control and smooth gear transitions,
thanks to its Shimano components. Safety is paramount when it comes to biking, and the Huffy Stone mountain bike doesn't disappoint. It features front and rear alloy linear pull brakes, delivering strong stopping power when you need it most. Whether you're slowing down gradually or making a sudden stop, these brakes offer reliable performance.
Moving on to the tires, this bike is equipped with 26-inch all-terrain tires. These provide excellent grip and stability across various surfaces, from gravel paths to muddy trails, ensuring you stay in control of your ride at all times. Comfort matters during long rides, and Huffy understands that.
The Stone mountain bike comes with a comfortable saddle designed to reduce fatigue, allowing you to enjoy longer rides without discomfort.
The ergonomic handlebars also provide a natural grip, enhancing overall comfort and control.
To sum it up, the Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike is a top contender in the 26-inch mountain bike category.
With its durable construction, versatile gearing, reliable braking, and comfortable design, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to hit the trails with confidence.
That's it for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products.
And as always, leave your comments and questions below.
Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.